yes, it has finally arrived. Okay, guys, so it'll be my first video, but not my last. Let's get straight into it. Okay, guys, let's start opening it, and while I'm opening it, guys, I'm gonna start explaining. So, during the past couple of, so this is only one of the many boxes are coming with my new PC parts. And this is gonna be my first video on the channel, so go ahead and let's get straight into it. Okay, guys, let's continue. Okay, ready, set. Dang it. Greatest technician that has ever lived. Well, second. Yes. Yes. Okay, guys. This is gonna be my first video on this channel. And if you see any mistakes in my PC build, please shout them out, because I really need help. This is my first time building a PC. Okay, let's get straight into it. And let me show you the first item, which is dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, an Asus Prime, blah 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 blah, Wi-Fi, blah 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 blah. Look at this, so cool, guys, right? Okay, let's get straight into this. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna give you guys the first look. So ready? That was lame. Let me fix that for you guys. Wi-Fi. That's an antenna, I think. I don't know. Please help me. Whoa. Look at that beauty. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh. Sorry, guys, if it takes me a little while. It's just I'm doing this one-handedly. Let's take it outside of the box. We'll get to the motherboard later. Let's place it down my chair. Okay. We got, oh, I think this is for like my drives. Packaging is all warm. It's been outside. Screws. Oh, this is the thing that goes on so it looks nice on the outside. And the Asus Prime user guide. Has a little videotape in it. I'm gonna be watching that definitely. And Asus motherboard updates. And blah, 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 blah. First, so now let's check the motherboard. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Wait a minute. I have to, so let's open it up. Is this for like, so static electricity doesn't get in or something? I really don't know. Oh my guys, I can't do this one-handed. Oh, yes. Look at this. Oh yeah, I don't even know what that thing does. Can someone leave it in the comments? Is this for my graphics card? Yeah. RAM. Let's just vary down. No. Okay, 1, 2. Let's push them all down. Because you know, why not? Yeah, so it's hard to push. So is that one. Why are they so hard to push? Anyways, let's try to do, oh, that one was easy. So this is an Asus motherboard. It's not the prettiest motherboard, but it'll get the job done. Oh, by the way, while I'm filming this, the parts were not all shipped in at the same time. So you will see random parts at random times. But you'll see me put it together at the same time. Okay, let's put it all together now. Let's go to the next part. Okay, guys, let's check out my cooler. Let's check it out. Oh, that's nice. Let's open it up. Cardboard. Junk. Oh, wow. Let me get out of the box and I'll show you guys. Was I supposed to put on the CPU first? During this build, I realized smell that motherboard. Thing smells great. Where's their battery? I don't know. It'll be fine. That's the HDMI cord, right? I think. Nah, that'd be. Hey guys, so I just put these on because that's what it says in here. But I really still don't know what I'm doing. Hey, you'll be fine. What's this thing for? I'll figure it out. Okay, Dad. So here's gonna be my cooler. The fans go in the cooler. That's gonna cool my CPU. I'm adding these from my CPU. Okay. And this is my motherboard. Bye. Guys, welcome back. We have a MSI power supply for my PC and two sticks of 216 gigabyte sticks of DDR4 RAM. Look, Pirate. All right, let's open the sticks first, right? Sorry guys, I'm doing this one-handed. Oh wow, those are cool. Let's open them up. We'll open them up. How do I open them? Okay, I got it, guys. I'm out. There we go. Oh my god. I'm gonna take one out. Why is it not coming out? How do you get these out, guys? Do I like pop them out? Yeah, that's what I do, I think. Oh my god. These are really well made. You can feel it. Yeah, these are both 16 gig. Okay. We should put them in the PC, right? Yeah, let's get straight to that. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I go like this. Hold up guys, let me try to figure this out. Hold up. Wait a minute. Yo, wait. I'll try to figure this out. Give me a minute. Yeah, so I figured out I got that one in. So let me show you guys. So, right? So all you gotta do is line it up on this side and the top. So then they should both slide in. Okay, I heard one click. I heard two clicks. Yay! Look at that. Damn. That's sexy. Oh yeah. Now once I get my CPU, I'll put it on there. I got my fan. You guys like it? Okay, I'm gonna try to plug it in my power supply next. Anyways, let's open this baby up. Knife. Hold up, wait a minute. By the way, guys, we do not accept bullying on my channel in the comments. So please do not make fun of me in my comments. Just tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I have no clue. These actually were supposed to go better. It's alright. I think. I don't know. Tell me if I did it wrong. Okay, so now this should just come right off, right? Dang it. Hey guys, what was that? Okay, so let's just try to, let's point this down. Let's, if I go like this. Okay, there we go. Right? I did, right? Okay, now let's put the knife to the side. Let's try to open it. That's one. Let's get the second one. Get the second one. Ah! Oh no, guys. It's hard to do one-handed. Okay. Holy moly. Oh my god, that smells like amazing. Alrighty, guys. So we got these mangoes. Look at that. Come on, man. Let me take it out of the box, then I'll show you guys. Okay, guys. Here's the beefy boy. He's beefy. Look at that. Not compared to it's bigger than my deodorant. Okay. Look at it. Let me just... What does that say? I don't even know. But look at that thing. Wow. Should I unpin this stuff? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Oh, finally the SSD came. Okay guys, let's get ready for installation. I'll open it up and show you. Just got it out. Wow. Let me just pop that baby out. How do I get him out? Stuck in a plastic container thing. Okay, alright. Let's try to... Why do they have to package these so hard? Okay, got it. Look at that SSD. Even came with a screw. I think it goes here. No, that slot's too big. Maybe right here. Let me try to figure this out. Okay guys, I got it in. And I think I now have to screw it down. No, where's the screw? I'll get back to you guys when I figure this out. Got it screwed down, so apparently I had to do that. But that's just the CPU. Let me grab it real quick. So let's just look at my CPU right here. I got a Ryzen 5 4000 series processor. So you guys ready for this? Let's just... Oh yeah. Is that a sticker? Can I take off the sticker? No, I don't think it's a sticker. Okay. So how do I get off the sticker? Okay. I cut the sticker. box won't open. Yeah, there we go. Let's flip it upside down. Actually, this part's very fragile. Let's just pull it out. Yeah. Yeah. It's a little box? What? Okay. So, it came with a box, and there's my CPU. Oh, there's a sticker. Yeah, I'm definitely using the sticker. No doubts about that. But first, let's see what this thing is. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, cooler. Except for my CPU. It's a pretty nice one. It comes with thermal plates pre-installed. But I already have a cooler, so I'm not going to be using that one. So let's just cover that baby back up. And that might be a spare part in case mine breaks. Alright, let's open up my CPU. Hey guys, let me get this inside that because it's a very fragile part and I don't want to hurt it. Look at all those pins. This is a lot heavier than I expected. It's at least a pound. Got it in. Let's push this lever down. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now I just need to get the cooler on it. Alrighty. Let me get the cooler on it. I can't do this one-handed. I'll just skip to it. Okay, guys. So I got the RAM, the cooler, and the CPU in there, and my storage. Is my storage supposed to be bending like that? I don't even know. I hope it'll be fine. Yeah. Yeah. The fans are spinning. I got everything working. Except not a graphics card. But that's fine. I got my storage thing. And the CPU came up with a backup cooler if I need to, in case mine fails on me. So that's good, right? And look at those fans. But it's not running on my integrated graphics, but that's alright. I'll try to fix it later. Alright, thank you, Dad. Damn. Yo, so look at this. So if the fans stop, turn on. Now we click these four. I meant these two. I meant these 4 pins. And there we go. The lights are on, the fans are on. And that's how you turn on the PC so far. Now I got my RAM, my storage, and my CPUs under this thing. This just cools it so it doesn't overheat. Hello guys. The case came, the H6 Flow Black. Look at that. Okay, let me just open it up for you guys. Wait a minute. Okay. Now let's get the other side. Just like. Why is it not going? Anyways, guys, so let's close up the knife. Knife goes here. Okay. So, you guys ready? Ooh, yeah. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Okay, guys, let me get it out of the box, and then I'll show it to you guys. Guys, I just got it out of the box. Now look at that. She is beautiful. So, you know what that means? It's time to start putting parts in. Let's get into it. Guys, I'm currently this far. I'm just working on wires, and next I need is my graphics card. So let's click the on button. Ooh, that's cool. And all my fans are spinning. And look at that. That's amazing. Woohoo! Look at this. Look at that. So when I click the on button, it lights up. I got all my components in there. It's not all the panels are on right now. Like there'd be glass here, but I took them all off currently because I'm working on cable management. And so far, the cable management is not that bad. I just got some more fans for the PC. Let's open them up. I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so here we have the reverse fans. 2 reverse fans. Oh my god, look at these. Those don't look too bad. Alrighty, I'll get these in the PC, and I'll show you guys the final. Guys, I just got one of the reverse fans, and this thing looks great. Definitely putting this in my build. Okay, so let me just install a couple more, and our build will be ready to go. Let's go. Okay, let me get to it. As I realized these don't fit in screw holes, so who needs to screw them in? I'll just like leave them like that, right? Now I just need to get the top ones on. In the comments, guys, tell me what you recommend. Should I put 1, 2, 3? Should I go 1, 2, and then 3? Cause I got 3 fans here and 3 down here. It'll be fine. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with 3 up here. Yeah, it's gonna look nice. If you guys have any suggestions, please comment. Guys, I'm taking the wires and I'm just dragging them through. What do you think so far? I got that one, and I got these 2. I'm trying to do this one next. Then we'll do the last one, and I'll show you guys the final results. Hey guys, just put it all back together. I'm wondering, what do you guys think? I think I did a pretty good job. Yeah, I like how you can just stare down on sides. Anyways, that's all. Finally came the final part of the build, my graphics card. So let's open it up. Okay, I'm not gonna do this one-handedly. Maybe I will. Who knows? Yeah, they're just two-handed. Okay, guys, I got it out. And look at this. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure out how do I get it installed, and then I'll show you guys it then. Okay, guys, so I got the graphics card installed, and now I think I'm gonna take these screws, put it up there, and what are these for? What? Please comment below what those are for. I do not know. And I'm gonna put this thing up here because I think that's where it goes for power. And then I'll show you guys it then. Hey guys, I got it all in there. And I'll see if it works. Okay. Yes, are the fans spinning? Yeah. Oh, it lights up? That's sick. Yo. It Select boot device. I just got the graphics card in, and I realized I never bought Windows, so that's next. I just did all the wiring and stuff, and look at this, I'm installing Windows 11. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Yeah. I still don't know what I'm doing.